The Nyotrab Youth Council (HYC) today had called on the Commissioner and Secretary of the Health Department, Dr. Joram Beda, to seek clarification regarding the allocation of posts for the medical and health officer and junior specialist categories. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the HYC President Roy Kuparsanram stated that as per the 2025 resolution issued by the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board, a total of 21 posts were sanctioned for the M&Ho cadre. He, however, expressed concern over what the organization termed as an uneven distribution of posts, pointing out that 11 of the vacancies were filled by candidates from the Garo community, while only 4 were allotted to Khasi and Jantia candidates. The HYC urged upon the Health Department to clarify the basis of such allocation and ensure equitable representation for all communities. In response, the Commissioner and Secretary of the Health Department, Dr. Joram Beda, clarified that the recruitment process and allocation of posts were conducted strictly in accordance with the state's roster system, which governs reservation and distribution across various categories.
Sini Wan Mani Kendo yo Commissioner and Secretary jangka Health Department Dr. Joram Beda IAS halor ka result ya ka balapan mi lembah ka recruitment board jangka medical jangka state ka bau chairman di Commissioner and Secretary kumban chupan kan ma hau pada Julai jong mentau senam na kaliang jangka recruitment board kilapan mi ya ka advertisement na ka banta ban tap kam ya ki doktor ki na banta ki post medical and health officer but ki post junior specialist kat kum kini ka advertisement ki don kumba arpoi tli ki post medical and health officer but san post south tli ki post ki bayday but ka junior specialist di hadin mami ya ka result kani ka pratrik jong mentau benai abang ipet ya ka list ya ka balapan mi na ka office jong kani ka recruitment board ngilap ba na ki arpoi tli ki post jong ki medical and health officer kumba khat wingut ki doktor lajit la ne la thep ki bade na kajat bendriu garu but na ki khasi bajantia pat ngilap bodan tang saungut ki bathep but na ka ada ST ki don saungut but na ka unreserved category ki don kumandriungut di ladangi ken ladangi pet ya reservation policy ka jongi ka boong bangi de banyo saupo arpo khatsan batsan tingyo iba ki jongi ki yo tang sausit ki wei pat ki perlok jongi garu ki yo khatwei sin jadi mengiyo i ya kanika jingmi ya result mentara sengi lawan banya kendo ya commissioner and secretary jongka health department ban panjing syai bolong duk chairman ya recruitment board ban panjing syai babalai na ki arpoi tli gisit ngi yo tang kumba sausit jadi mengilai keren but commissioner and secretary jongka health department Dr. Joram Beda ila ajeng pensayangi bahkan ni berokhat kade namar kajing penterikan ya ke roster system nak kaliang jongka department kila pensai kila PNI yang ia kikot kislah kaba kaladon ke recruitment la ni kajing tungkam husnam arja arusang hakata kapor batungkam husnam arja arusau ki post ki shim lala ban thep la ne kat kum ka reservation roster ki ong ba ki beriau nak ajak ki post ki vacancy ki balat kat kum kani ka roster ki ong ba ka medical and health officer ki ka unreserved post ka DR ki khasi jantia ki de saw ki garu ki de khatway but ki OST ki de saw komut arpoi seat dekat kum kani ka jeng penmi ya ka result ka pratrik jong new benai mentau benai ka de bitik kat kum ka roster system ya ka bana kaliang ki jong ki ong ba ki penteri kami ka roster nak ka jeng bethak jong ka personal department lembah ka DMHI abai de ba ka post junior specialist but ki babu ni ki bayi orang hang ni ki de na nangi komut khasi jantia ki don perangut ki unreserved ndriungut ki bawan nak ka jeng jong ni ki garu bat kiwi ki ada SC bat ST kimdan ndri kat kum ka advertisement ki don kumba nyop tli ki post tambah ya ka balala ban tap menta ka datang lai pesan kamu ki bebun ki post ki bomla ki bom shimla la ban them but kawai ni ki daw kam tam ya ka post specialist kawai ni ki daw ba ka recruitment board kamla ban them namar kini ki bawan hakmat do hakalis bun kim shimla join ya kani ya ki post but ki ka basosi kalong babun ni kini ki de na kajat mari chong ni kini ki doktor ki bala pas ki specialist ki bala specialize ki babun ki kam ki jongkin re ba ki mi akalis nakmat do la dapat nulis iwe haduk khat lai haduk khat saw ki de na kajat mari chong ni re kim tre pat ban join ya kata post ka ba kila syajit but ki babun na kiru ki de ki doktor ki bade ki bonded doktor ki ba sorkar ka pha ki bandit pulih re basosi kalong badala syajit pat ban serve ki government hospital kini ki kim kwa ban serve ti nakaliang jong kaseng habai de ki badai ki bonded doktor ya ki dai ban shim ban pensitom kat kum kendon jokaan kawai ni kita ka dai ba kini ki bri haba ki let ban puli ki sign ya ka agreement ya ka bond ba ka sorkar bat ka kendon go ong ba kini ki ha ban serve ya ka jela ka jongi sansnam kumnu ru ti lada kim tre banwan ka sorkar ka ban shim ki linti jokaan bat gap kala don ro ka jing ekran badai ban pha ya ki legal notice ba balai onom pensitom ya ki kat kum ki kendon ki baki ki lete bat ban shim kam ru ya ki kat kum kendon ki bakaan ka sya ya ki ban shim kata ka dai jing ekran ni bang ile ekran mentan kaliang ka jongki ki ai kata ka jing sai ba ya kani la le kat kum roster rei kai ka bangi ngi ong yo commissioner secretary ka long ba kadon ka jing pen kala ha ka advertisement ka baki ki kon la dengi pe ja ka advertisement jong snam arja arsa ka reservation ya ki medical and health officer ka don la ka jong haka ba kat nu khasi jentia kat nu garu ka don la ka jong haka reservation nam ta ka junior specialist ka don la ka jong kat nungut khasi jentia kat nungut garu kat nungut a reserve seat dre ka ba ki pen kala kan san pat haka ni ka advertisement jong snam arja arsan haka ba jaka ban bu bandon kata sub categorization la ne ka sub vacancy ya ki khasi jentia bat ya ki garu la syuken thop lang haju but junior specialist but ka post jong medical and health officer ti ngi ba kani kawan ra ka jing bom syai yang ngi kum tipat ba bat yang ngi kum beseng ti ka ba ngi la ekran ru bat commissioner secretary da ka ba ong u ba ki babun ki jongi ki doktor ki badai na ka jat meri ba jongi ki badai ru na ka ki badon ya ka qualification ban chat thung kum kita ki medical and health officer ki banamar ban jing penteri kami ngani roster system tang sangut ki syajit kini hadin ki dang bun ba ki don hadu ars tam ki doktor ki bala ele kan ki exam ban syajit kum ki medical and health officer dai namar ba ka roster system kim sim la ban rung ka kampus tingila ong ya ka ya commissioner secretary kum chairman jong ka recruitment board ba ki dei ban pelong no ya ka exam men thung kam ha bo lai banai ha kini hi ki banai ban sawan kha bo jong ban taw snam khnang ba kini ki doktor ki bakwa si sha ban tre ka kam ki bala sha jin re namar ba pentri kam ya roster system kim sim lara ban rung ha ka kam ga jong ki kin yo lat ban tri kam ti ha ka jing keren ga jong i kata ri ga jing pen sha ya ka ban kaliang jong u chairman jong recruitment board ula ai bola pen i yang ye ki kot isla ya ka roster system ka pentri kam bat ula kular lo yang i ba ka next recruitment cycle kan long no hi po jong ban taw snam khnang ba kini ki doktor ki badak wa ban tre ya ka kam kin yo alat ban rung la ne ban tre kum ki doktor ki BCC ki jaka suma ta sorkan